Today we're going to be talking about Corvus stock and why it is up so much and whether or not it can continue to run. Let's get into this video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment how many Corvus stock you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in investing in Corvus and you want to get on a new stock brokerage that you can see other people's public stock portfolios such as ours and other famous people. I know we're not famous, but other famous people are on public and you can see their public stock portfolios. Pretty cool. So if you guys want to do all that, go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description, and when you deposit $1 you are going to get up to $70 worth of free stock. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and get signed up below. Follow us at It's Finance Bro. And really quickly, I do want to show you guys what Public.com looks like. So you can see here, you can basically just get updates from us and other people on stocks whenever we sell something and make a profit or make a loss. You're gonna see that we're invested in AMC for 13 days, made 7%, and I gave a reason why I sold it at that time. So yeah, and then also you can see our portfolio here, long-term portfolio, as well as our watch list. So if you guys are interested in seeing all that, go ahead and get signed up. Follow us at It's Finance Bro. But anyways, with all that out of the way, let's get straight into our stock for today, which is going to be Corvus. So here we are on Public.com, and we can see that Corvus Pharmaceuticals is up 25% on the day, up to $6.67. It is a small market cap, as Public does say, and that is why it is up so much, because it's easy to run. So as you can see, in the past week we have just been on an uptrend from $3 all the way up to $6.67 today. We're going to be going over technical analysis, we're going to be going over an overview of the stock, as well as just kind of why we think that the stock is running today, and much more. So if you guys want to stick around for all that, go ahead and stick around. So here we are on stock Twits. This is really where I like to basically see what is trending on the stock market and such, and I found that it has been very helpful to me. So you know, if it's helpful to me, it could be helpful to you. Go ahead and use it if you want. We are not sponsored by Stock Twits. We are sponsored, however, by Public.com. So if you guys are interested in that, first link in the description. Anyways, enough with the shameless plugs. We can see that Stock Twits has Corvus trending number 6 today. So that is behind such things such as Zevo, which I made a video on, behind Odessa, which Kyle made a video on, and the video is up right now if you guys want to go watch our last video. But yeah, overall, on a down day in the market, we can find these different stocks that are running, such as Corvus, such as Zevo, such as Odessa. So yeah, the stock market is very much down today. However, there are certain stocks where you can still make money in the market. But yeah, anyways, trending number 6 on stock Twits. And now we can come over here to Pulse 2.0 to get a article on Corvus stock, kind of why the momentum is continuing today. So yeah, here we are. We can see that the stock price of Corvus Pharmaceuticals increased 135% in the previous trading session, and the momentum continues today. This is why it happened, according to them. The stock price of Corvus Pharmaceuticals Incorporated increased 135% in the previous trading session, and the momentum continues today. It is up more than 11% in pre-market. Obviously, it's up 25% in regular trading. There is no company-specific news driving the stock's price up, so it appears there are external factors at play. Apparently, there has been an uptick in discussions about Corvus Pharmaceuticals on social media platforms such as Discord, Stock Twits, like we just talked about, Facebook, etc. So basically, in Discord, Stock Twits, maybe Reddit, there has just been more chatter about it. Maybe because it was up so much on Friday, people are continuing their bullish, statements about it on these different platforms. And there is also speculation it could be a sympathy play with associated with recent clinical trials results reported by AstraZeneca that could have driven up the stock price. So basically, on Friday morning, AstraZeneca reported results from something similar to kind of what Corvus is doing, and they're positive. So basically, you know, I could read off this whole like rant that they go on about AstraZeneca, but the gist of it is that there is something similar to what Corvus Pharmaceuticals is doing, and AstraZeneca had good results with it, so it could be a sympathy play. if you guys want to know what Corvus is doing, it's basically developing an anti-CD73 antibody called, I'm not going to try, which binds to various immune cells. By binding, it appears to inhibit production of immunosuppressive in the tumor microenvironment. So basically trying to help with tumors, very cool stuff. If it works out, this company will be worth basically a lot of money. But yeah, basically the reason that it's up, it's on an uptick of discussions in different social media platforms such as Discord, Stock, Twits, Facebook, and then it also could be a sympathy play to AstraZeneca reporting positive results in the same sector as they're in. Now we can come here to Yahoo Finance to go over a bit of an overview of the stock in general. You can see that they have a market cap of 280. Now this is you know, a higher market cap than something such as Zevo that I just made a video on literally 10 minutes ago, but it is still a very low market cap. It is not in the billion yet. So if this was to go up 100%, all it would take would be $280 million. And as you guys know, some whales will drop that in one moment without even thinking about it. So average volume of this stock is normally sitting at about 4 million shares, but the volume today was 60 million shares. So this thing went up over 10x in volume, and that is why you know, there was more buying volume than selling volume, and that's why it's up 25%. Now the performance outlook from Yahoo Finance actually gives this all green for short-term, mid-term, and long-term. So that's absolutely cool. If you come here to their earnings, they did beat on their last earnings. However, they're not doing much revenue as of yet, but overall their earnings have been good. Now we can come here to do a bit of technical analysis. So you can see here that the RSI hasn't even reached 70 yet today, or I mean it did reach 70, but right now it's not even at 70. The MACD is trending up right here, so if you can see this blue line, whenever this starts trending over the orange line, you can pretty much expect an uptrend. So the MACD is trending up. We're not even at a 70 RSI. So I think Corvus could continue to run right now. Now we could test this resistance at 690 and then come back down, but we could see a cup and handle formation forming. If you guys didn't know, that's when there's a bit of a handle right here and then it continues to go up. It is a bullish stock indicator. But yeah, overall today just up on massive volume, and over the past couple of hours we have seen the volume start to increase again. So this thing could continue to go up just off a technical standpoint. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today's video. If you guys are interested in this stock, make sure you guys go get signed up on Public and deposit $1 so you can get that free money. Who doesn't want free money? But yeah, also comment anything as it really helps grow the channel. Comments are really one of the massive things. Also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm as well. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for me today. Thank you guys all so much for watching. My name is Zach. Hope to see you in the next video.